Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you are doing great. I am also doing well. So this is Renugiri and you are watching my channel Motivation with Balya Girl. So today we will discuss how to make new habits. How to make new habits. So first of all, if you start to make habits, decide what habit you want to make. What habits you want to make. So first, suppose you want to develop a habit of reading in yourself. So start small. First step is start small. Like if you are if you want to read books daily, start with one page daily or two page daily at least. So that way, in 30 days you will read 60 page. If you read two pages daily, so it will add up daily. So see it a long term, what it will be affect you at long term. So start small, then set specific goal. Make it specific. Suppose you want to read two pages daily, so decide which page you want to read next day, which page you want to read next day, and where you want to sit and want to read next page. And then decide what at what time you want to read that book two pages. So make it specific. Okay. And then use triggers. Suppose you wake up in the morning and take tea, or you take hot water, like lukewarm water to drink. So during those period, like 10 to 15 minutes, when you take tea or when you take hot water, utilize those time into reading. Okay. Take a cup of tea and sit at your table and utilize the time in reading in morning or evening, whatever time suits you. You like you use that trigger, and then be consistent. Come what may, it at in interval or daily. You repeat those habits daily or at some intervals. Suppose I make a video, so I make video daily. And you can also read books daily, or alternate day, or on Sunday. So make it daily habits or at an interval. Okay. And track your progress and reward yourself. Like use a calendar and mark that day, that this day you have done your task. Like you have read two pages today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So tick on regular basis that you have read those books, those pages. Okay. So this way you can form good habits. And let me know in comment box how you use how you form your new habits. And comment in comment box, and like, subscribe and comment on my YouTube channel. Okay. Bye bye friends. Bye. That's all for today, and bye.